Hey guys, good morning. Today we're going to go check out a 1965 Volkswagen panel van. Should be pretty cool. I'm trying to buy it. I'm not sure if I will. There's a few other people that are trying to get it too, so I'm trying to get out there as soon as I can, take a look at it and see if he'll hold it for me. So I'll turn you back on when we get there. See you. Alright, we're getting closer. Sun's coming up. It's about 7:20 a.m. Cold morning here in Florida. It's cold for Florida. It's like 40 degrees right now, so. But we're heading towards the beach. Should be there in about 20 minutes. Stay tuned. Alright guys, I think we made it. Looks like he's got all kinds of cool old cars out here. I don't see the van. You don't realize how small these things are until you get up on them. The roof line's pretty crusty. What were you saying about the rear? You said something's going on with the rear, right?
If you look underneath here, actually it's better to see the one on the other side. See that flat piece of steel that's got, all it is like a little more than an 1/8 inch thick. This one's bent.
Okay.
And that's from somebody yanking out of wherever it was at one time.
Yeah.
And all you have to do is unbolt both ends, put it in a press it back, and put it back in. I've done it for other people. I've never taken one off.
Yeah.
So I don't know what kind of torque is on that.
Right.
But I think if the other side stays hooked up, this one won't torque nowhere.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
And you just adjust it to line up your bolts by jacking this part up and down.
Okay.
But I've had this rim off, and I was gonna pop it off and do it, and I said, I've never done this before, and the guy wants to buy it, so I just told him about it, and he said that's no big deal.
No big deal.
It's actually just a flat piece of steel.
Huh.
And the other van I went and got for the guy that was out here by the fence. That's all that was there. There was no rear end, no motor, no nothing.
Really?
And it was rotted bad. I mean, you could stick your hand in the frame and run your hand down.
Wow.
And he got $2,500 for it.
Jeez.
The guy paid $1,700 to have it brought to California.
That's crazy. Is this the gas tank?
Yep. The gas tank's up on the shelf up underneath.
Oh, okay.
It's underneath that floor.
Yeah. What did it say on the side of it?
This guy was a painter and a prospector.
Prospector. It says something painting.
Yep.
I can barely see it.
It says something and painting. So it might have said wallpapering.
Wallpaper and painting. Oh yeah.
Got a lot of wallpaper.
There it is right there. Wallpaper.
Yep.
Wallpapering.
That makes it super cool.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah. It'd be cool if you could see it better. Is the
guy
woods
up
open?
there was telling me. Yeah, all the latches work. Hinges are a little stiff, but that's alright. This one here has an inside latch. It goes down and it opens up.
Wow.
The floor support piece that comes out is all in good tack, so it just needs an inner and outer rocker panel.
Yeah, the main beams are still good, right?
Yeah, that's solid as a rock.
Yeah.
That other one, I could stick my hand in it and run it the whole length of it. That's how rotted it was. These weren't even there. These dog legs, these weren't even on the other one.
Wow.
These are solid.
That's crazy.
It's very solid compared to the other one. So you got an inner rocker panel here, and then the outer one goes over the top of it. And the parts for these are very reasonable.
Yeah, I got an old, I bought a 67 Gia last year, and the motor was totally seized, so I found a 72. It's got a good motor, but the body's all rotted out. So I got both of those in the house.
Yep.
And but now I'm like, I want a van.
I think everybody wants a van.
Yeah.
So crazy to get the one split windows.
I know. Those looks like some old Ford mirrors or something. It needs some work, but it's pretty cool. Yeah. The bumpers looked perfect. Wow. The roof has got some issues on this side.
I told you about this one. The other side's good. This one's got some rust to it.
Yeah. But, you know.
That's actually easier to fix than the rockets.
Is it really?
Because it's right there where you can work on it.
You just cut a strip and put a new strip of metal there and weld it in?
The longer the roll or the longer the shear you have, the better. But I've done these vans in 3-foot sections.
Really?
Because that's how wide my shear and my roller is. And I just put a slight roll in it.
Yep. So you do restorations?
I do all the metal work.
You do? do all that here?
Yeah.
Nice. Wow, I can't believe all this stuff is still in there. That's crazy.
That's the treasure. This one is very complete.
Yeah.
And it comes with a nice fold-out table for doing wallpaper.
I'll have to start a wallpaper business.
The dash is really nice. There's that vent thing on the roof. Looks like new. That really goes up.
Yeah, I've seen where you can get all these,
You get every single piece.
all those pieces there.
They make every single piece to make the van.
That's crazy.
I know. And they're making them. They're making those
People are
23 windows and putting Porsche drivetrains in them,
Wow.
and they're getting $300,000 for them. There's a guy in Texas that's got about 12 of them all painted
Oh my God.
and being assembled.
That's crazy.
Somehow he got hooked up with football players and movie stars, and
They all want one.
they want a van.
Jeez. And they want it to be perfect.
Yep.
Yeah, I don't mind a little bit of rust since that gives it character.
It's been thoroughly searched here by the cat. There's no mice in it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Spanish, I found him in the alleyways as a little kid.
Aww. Yeah, you're a good boy. Yeah.
You must be alright, because usually you don't go near people at all.
Yeah, you're a good boy. We used to have a cat. We had her for 16 years. She just died last year. Now we got a couple little puppies. Yeah, this thing's cool, man. This thing is really cool. I'd like to get it.
That kid was telling me this is super rare to have a one-piece bench. Usually it's a split.
Oh wow.
1/3 and 2/3 bench.
Because this is like a work van.
Yeah, this is a car. This is the rarest
This
one.
is the work vehicle.
Yeah. That grommets right up in that cubby's the chrome piece.
Cool. Yep.
Very tight steering too. Ah, the horn don't work. I think the battery's dead. And the handles in one piece on the other side of the dash. Usually those are broke.
Radios in here.
Yeah.
Yeah, this thing's cool, man. This is pretty cool. It's gonna be a lot of work, but it's gonna be fun.
I wouldn't even do nothing with the body. I could make it run and drive, stop and steer.
Yeah.
I'd drive it for a year
Yep.
like that.
Yeah, exactly.
Maybe do the seat. That's it.
Coleman, Augusta, Georgia. That's interesting.
Come here, cat. Come on. Yeah, that's got the original dealer sticker on their bumper.
That's crazy. And you think it's a 62?
That's what that guy up there told me by the numbers.
What numbers do you check? Is there like a...
There's VIN numbers on the side of the engine.
Uh-huh.
There's actually an engine number also.
Okay.
And then there's a tag behind the passenger seat on the back panel.
Okay.
And it's, factory screwed on. But interesting enough, if you look at the tail light, it says 61 on it.
On this?
But they were telling me that that's old.
Oh, yeah.
It could be just in the stockpile and they're
Left
throwing it
over.
on because this was built
Yeah.
6 months into 62.
Yeah, because back then, I mean, they were making hundreds of thousands of them, probably, for all over the world.
Yeah.
Hundreds of thousands of them have probably been crushed.
Yesterday was telling me that making these vans in Belgium.
Really? New? Wow. You got old Pat's blue ribbon can in there.
It's probably worth money.
Oh yeah. I thought that was a hubcap. Cool. All right. Awesome, man. Bye. Well, guys, I think I just bought my first van. I think it's a 62. It's in pretty good shape, and I'm pretty excited. More to come. See you.